Hey, welcome to my great new listing in Whitehorn. This place has been redone from top to bottom, inside and out. Like I said, this house has been redone from the studs out. Everything from insulation to windows, wiring, plumbing, flooring, ceilings, pot lights, brand new kitchen, brand new bathrooms, everything's been done. Check out this beautiful window. Opens up on two sides, so you're gonna get a nice breeze through. And if you look out the window, the park is right there. Check out this kitchen. Stainless appliances, ceramic top cooktop stove here. There's a pass-through in there if you want to have some guests on that side of the counter. Lots of counter space, brand new high-end cabinetry everywhere. Subway tile backsplash. The bathroom, like the rest of the house, was redone from the studs out. Again, new insulation, new drywall, new wiring, everything's been redone here. Nice deep soaker tub, low flow toilet, quartz countertops, everything's brand new. There's 3 bedrooms upstairs and there's one downstairs too, which is huge. I'll show you that in a second. But 3 bedrooms upstairs, all with luxury vinyl planks, flooring. Again, new walls, new windows, everything is brand new. There's even a cute little backyard. Downstairs, you should see what they did down here. In the basement, there's a huge rec room, big enough for a seating area and a man cave, or a foosball table and a theater, something like that. Do what you want with it. This area here would be perfect for a couple of desks maybe, or a place to do, if you're into hobbies and things like that, it'd be a great place for that. The laundry room, again, is worth seeing only because in this case, you're gonna get a brand new Samsung washer and dryer. There's a brand new high efficiency hot water tank and a brand new high efficiency furnace. You're set up. This downstairs bedroom is huge. I also think this room, by the way, would make a great theater if you wanted to do that. Just block off this one window, have the projection go that way or this way. Great spot for that. Even the storage room is lit up and drywalled and ready for your Christmas decorations or your camping gear, whatever you want to put away for a while. The downstairs bathroom is great too. It's got a shower, and by the way, I'm 6 feet tall. When I stand in here, the shower head's still a foot higher than I am. How often do you see that? It's fantastic. There's a quartz countertop here as well. And again, another low flush toilet. Beautiful. So just on the other side of the cul-de-sac from the house is this great little park. As you can see, there's swings, there's monkey bars, there's slides, there's a teeter-totter, and that way there's actually a decent enough field that you can play, I don't know, football, frisbee, whatever you and the kids want to do. So in that way it's a cul-de-sac, then you have a park, then you have another cul-de-sac, and then so it's a really quick walk to right there is Chief Justice Mulvane's school for the kids. So if you want to have a look at this house, give me a call. I'll give you a tour of the place. Or if you want to see any other houses in your neighborhood or somewhere else in Calgary, give me a call. I'd love to be able to help you out with that.